Most startups think that tools are enough, but actually the support behind them that makes the biggest difference. I'm William from PLM Group. Let me show you how we support startups throughout their journey. At PLM Group, we are not just selling the software. We work with the startup as an innovation partner, helping you get started, learn the tools, solve challenges as you grow, and figure out best practices for your success. And this part is actually really important, especially if you don't yet have deep in-house experience. At PLM Group, we provide service plans for startups in the SOLIDWORKS for Startup program. This gives you access to Solid Professor, which has over 15,000 training videos waiting for you. So instead of guessing or Googling everything, you have structured learning portal available anytime. On top of that, you also get direct access to our experts. For each service plan, you get dedicated sessions, for example, 2-hour-year sessions where we go through your specific questions or challenges you are facing. This ensures you are not left alone trying to figure out things by yourself. Most startups focus on the product, but the real long-term impact comes from how you build the foundation of your businesses. So let's take a look at the bigger picture. As a startup, your needs will change over time. You can move from basic design to simulation, data management, full product lifecycle management, and even more advanced areas like model-based system engineering. In order to succeed, startups don't just need tools. They need a solid starting point, scalable processes, and system that grows with them, and people who guide them along the way. And that's where we at PLM Group come in. If you are a startup building a physical product, we can help you to take the next step.